Have you ever tried making shrimp at home, only to end up with rubbery, flavorless pieces? It's the worst, right? But what if I told you there's a simple trick to get that perfect buttery garlic parmesan flavor? Every single time. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a new go-to shrimp recipe that'll blow your mind. Today, we're diving into an easy garlic parmesan shrimp recipe that anyone can master. It's quick, it's delicious, and it'll turn you into a shrimp cooking pro, even if you've never touched a frying pan before. Alright, here's what you'll need. Shrimp, fresh or frozen works. Garlic, Parmesan cheese, butter, basic tools like a frying pan and a spatula. That's it, just a handful of ingredients for maximum flavor. Step 1. Let's prep that shrimp. Rinse them under cold water. Pat dry with a paper towel and sprinkle on a pinch of salt. Simple, right? Now grab your pan and heat it up with a couple of tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Watch it melt, then toss in your minced garlic. Can you smell that? Once the garlic's fragrant, about a minute, it's time for the main event. The shrimp. Lay them in the pan and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side. Watch them turn pink and juicy. It's like a little kitchen magic show. Pro tip, don't crowd the pan. Let each shrimp shine. Step 2, remove the cooked shrimp and set them aside. But don't you dare touch that pan. That buttery, garlicky goodness left behind, that's our flavor goldmine. Sprinkle in some Parmesan cheese and stir it up. Watch as it melts into a creamy, savory sauce. It's pure heaven. Step 3, time to bring it all together. Toss the shrimp back in the pan and coat them in that luscious garlic parmesan sauce. Look at that. Mouth-watering perfection. Serve them up with crusty bread, pasta, or just dig in with a fork. Seriously, it's that good. Wait! Before you dive in, let me share one key secret. Fresh ingredients are everything. Fresh garlic takes the flavor to the next level. And when it comes to shrimp, quality matters. Look for wild-caught or responsibly farmed options to get that tender, juicy bite every time. Nervous about overcooking shrimp? Don't be. Here's the trick. Watch the color. Pink means perfect. Adjust the heat as you go. And if they're cooking too fast, just remove them and finish them in the oven. It's foolproof. Fresh shrimp seasoned and cooked to perfection. Garlic sauteed in butter. Parmesan cheese melted into a creamy, dreamy sauce. The result? Restaurant-quality garlic Parmesan shrimp made right in your kitchen. Are you ready to try this? Drop a comment below with your thoughts, or check out another delicious recipe on my channel.